Welcome back for a short summary. So in this lab exercise, what we did was we created an RDS database instance, right, for our cafe application. This was because the database that we currently used needed to consistently be upgraded and patched, right? And since we are the one manning it and we might not have the luxury of time to be doing that manually every time, there was a need for a managed RDS service. So we resorted to the Amazon RDS. So our initial architecture was this: an EC2 instance that had a Linux operating system, an Apache web server, a MariaDB or a MariaDB database system on its PHP, and a cafe application. There was also parameters configured in the parameter store of the systems manager, which the EC2 instance assumes an IAM role to access these parameters. There was also a session manager opened on the EC2 instance for us to use an in-browser terminal or a terminal in the browser to access the EC2 instance. Our final goal brought us here. We established a TCP port connection between the RDS instance. After we created the RDS instance, we now exported the database data into a file called the cafedb dump, and we then imported these files onto the RDS MariaDB instance. What we did next was to now connect the cafe application by changing some parameters in the parameter store to connect to the RDS MariaDB instance, right? After that, we terminated the MariaDB instance. We went ahead to confirm if our website was still working, and it was truly working. So that brings us to the end of this lab session. I hope you found it helpful and educative. I'll see you in another lab session. But till then, stay safe.